Table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you need to pick 2 people or persons that you will choose as your representative. Wait lang muna dito na side, okay? Okay, the game mechanics. Pinoy Henyo for those who doesn't know and for the benefit of our visitor from back. It works like this, that one player will be the ones that will guess the word and the other player will sit on the chair with the word. So the other player does not see which word it is that has to be guessed, and the other person will be standing here to answer only yes, no, maybe. And audience, please, no coaching, and it's all under time pressure. It's 1 minute per round, and the winner would be the first or the person who would answer and the fastest person that can answer or guess the word. Most of the Filipinos knows the mechanics, but pretty much that's it. Okay? Okay.
Sige na, representative ninyo, each table. Kayo na muna.
Table 1. Okay, who's gonna guess the word? You're gonna guess. You will sit here and the other person will stand here. Okay? You will stand like this. Okay, copy. Okay.
Ate Leonora, galingan mo. Ayusin mo ang buhay mo. Kinsay magtay? Sige, setlo, timer. Ilang ito, diba? 1 lang, 6.